Applicants can directly access the YSU Foundation Scholarship Application by typing www.ysu.edu/YSUF App into their browser. The YSU Foundation Scholarship Application is also available on the Office of Financial Aid Scholarships website at www.ysu.edu/FINAID. Click the YSU Foundation application icon located in the menu bar to get started. The YSU Foundation Scholarship Application allows students to apply for a variety of scholarships through the YSU Foundation, an independent nonprofit organization that distributes resources from privately held funds to support YSU students. To view a complete list of included scholarships, click the link provided. There are currently over 300 scholarships for evaluation upon completion of the application. To return to the application login page, click the Back to Login page link. You will be asked to supply your Penguin Portal ID and password to access the application. Please enter in this information. Most scholarships awarded through the YSU Foundation Scholarship Application require completion of the free application for federal student aid. You can see what your FAFSA status is at the top of the application upon logging in. You will first be required to provide your enrollment information, which includes anticipated graduation date and anticipated enrollment, for example, full-time or part-time. Moving forward, the application will go on to ask a number of questions used to assist the scholarship committees to assess your eligibility for available scholarships. The first section is made up of narrative response questions that limit answers to 500 characters. The following section is comprised of yes or no questions used to identify populations specific to individual scholarship requirements. The final section includes additional yes or no questions that further assist in matching scholarship requirements to student applicants. Please note that in some cases, questions to which an applicant answers yes may prompt an additional follow-up question. If you are a student within the College of Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics, you will be asked to respond to an additional set of STEM-specific scholarship qualifying questions. For example, the student is majoring in mechanical engineering and is being asked questions relative to STEM and mechanical engineering scholarships. A student majoring in a different STEM discipline may be given an altered set of questions to answer. If you are a student within the Williamson College of Business Administration, you will also be asked a separate set of questions for consideration of WCBA-specific scholarships. Additionally, students in pursuit of a Master of Business Administration or Master of Accountancy degree and who meet the scholarship eligibility criteria will be given an opportunity to answer questions to qualify for scholarship funds available to this specific student population. Students within the Beagley College of Education will be prompted as well to answer their own qualifying questions in consideration of education-specific scholarships. In this example, the student is an integrated language arts and education major. However, scholarship questions may vary depending on the education student's area of specialization. Students identified as veterans of the Armed Forces through the Office of Veteran Affairs are also offered a separate set of questions for additional scholarship consideration. The Diversity Award and qualifying questions will be listed on the YSU Foundation Scholarship Application for students recognized as Alana students. Questions pertaining to the Wolves Club Scholarship will appear on the YSU Foundation Scholarship Application for students identified as incoming freshmen graduating from Mahoney County High School with at least a 2.5 GPA. Once all questions have been answered and you feel the application is complete, click Submit. You will then receive a confirmation page. Please be aware that once you have completed and submitted the YSU Foundation Scholarship Application, you will not be able to submit a correction or duplicate application. If you have additional questions about the YSU Foundation Scholarship Application or your financial aid options in general, please feel free to contact our office at 330-941 888-978-3505 or by email at YSUFinaid@ysu.edu. Thank you for watching.